Hello. Good afternoon. It's late. We are marching towards the evening. So, dear students, you are senior level students, your MBA final part, final year. Today, we are interested to discuss about the job satisfaction. The name of the paper is compensation management. It's a very important thing, and this is a very critical, important, and sophisticated thing for management. If management is not well concerned this about, then this may create a havoc and several problems. So, keeping in the head of the, keeping it in their mind, management needs to settle up their salary, remuneration, and wages packages also. Anyway, dear students, I'm sorry to say, I'm delivering here a lecture in the corridor in front of the Department of Management because during the pandemic situation, this is not possible from our side to ask you to come to participate in the classroom. We are not delivering our lectures in front of you. You are far away from me. But technology is such a thing. Technology is such a thing which bringing us as just you are immediately in exposition to be. That's the thing. Being a student of management, MBA final, so you are senior level student. I'm also a student. You are junior student, I'm senior student. That's the difference, nothing more than that. So it should be rather in a state of syllabus or curriculum based, rather it's an exchange program, we better can say. Always I do say you, don't go through simply books, because you need to gather your messages, information, facts, materials regarding the professional affairs from other wise sources, from the virtual world, by YouTube, by Google, or using the different apps, or going to the practically to the different meals, organizations, and business centers. You can gather the real knowledge, paperwork, etc. and etc. If not so, just going through the books is not enough. It's an applied paper. If the paper is applied, then you should have to go to the right field, right location, in the right position. Anyway, I just like to also show you, this is the evening, almost we are marching towards evening. The very calm and quiet situation is now prevailing. Some sounds coming from roads, that is of the automobiles, vehicles, and some boys are playing beside the building. This is the great academic institution where you are studying, Mohammadpur Kendriya College, very prominent and class by itself. Where our green fields, you just see our gardens, trees, very fine, fantastic buildings. All the things are here. Our academic buildings, we are also now exploring and constructing further more 12 to 15 story buildings. Within 2 or 3 years, this will be completed. This is virtual class. We are taking this as per the decision from the Ministry of Education and National University. Accordingly, our Honorable Principal, Professor Jafar Ali, he advised us to conduct our classes with virtual backup. Anyway, at this backup, I am, as an old man, I am not that much efficient, but actually you are. You are far better than that of me, because this virtual activities, virtual conducting is better for the upcoming generation, but you very easily can gather. So this creates an ample opportunity for you to know, to understand the multiplied affairs in connection to the business and business world, its activities, the paperwork, documentations, and all these things you can know very easily. Even in terms of the compensation management, you better can know and can understand where the situation and system is prevailing worldwide, how the compensation system is maintained in USA, how the compensation system is maintained in European countries, or Middle East countries, or Japan, or Korea, or India, or Pakistan, or even in Bangladesh. This is very easy from your side to understand, but I am just talking and pointing the issues. That's the thing. As a teacher, I should have to say something. That's what I'm telling you. I'm just conveying you the message. Anyway, in terms of Job satisfaction. Some authors paid their opinion, say for J.W. Newstorm and Keith Davis. Job satisfaction is a set of favorable and unfavorable feelings with which employees view their work. Very nice opinion. V.H. Bloom. Job satisfaction is generally considered to be an individual's perceptual emotional reaction to important facts of work. And as Per Robbins says, job satisfaction is the general attitude towards one's job, the difference between the amount of years workers receive and the amount of belief they should receive. Like this, another prominent author, that is Griffin, Professor R.W. Griffin, he says job satisfaction or dissatisfaction, two things separate, opposite, is an attitude that reflects the intent to which an individual is gratified by our fulfilled in his or her work. If I am satisfied with my work, then positively I will be inclined and interested to do the work very best where. I will not think whether how much time I am giving here for the manufacturing purpose, for manufacturing a quality goods or services even. There is a question of job satisfaction, if I am satisfied. But if I am not satisfied, then what will happen? I will just simply say, there is a headache, oh no, I am today busy otherwise, oh no, I will be late, oh no, I am not that much interested in performing my assigned duties and responsibilities. That's the thing. There is a question of job satisfaction. So, there is a very important thing from the side of the managers, from the side of the management. Management must think about the interest, trained and the trend of the workers and employees or of the personnel, as how they want to react in such a situation, whether they are interested or not. They need to keep all these matters in their mind. So, nature and features of the job satisfaction. I just like to mention one thing, that is the number one, conception. Conception is a very initial and primary affair. Yes, conceptually, I need to think, I need to understand how conceptually I receive a certain problem, certain matter, certain job, at my certain position. Yes, how far, whether I am in a better position or not. That is the conceptual matter. Then the emotional position, yes. Some positions they are very emotional in nature. Some guys are inclined or interested to be to hold a certain position where he can express his activities better. In that case, he will be interested in a state of the higher salary. Then working environment. If the working environment is positive, then the workers and employees will be inclined, or they will be interested to do their work very smoothly and very nicely. They will be interested even to work day long, no problem. That's a question of their environment. A nice environment, if the behavioral pattern of the authority is fine, cooperative and positive, then the workers will be very much interested to work under such type of management. Then expectation. If expectation is fulfilled, higher salary, right time bonus, allowances, all these things are regularly paid by the organization, and expectation is fulfilled, expectation of the workers or employees is fulfilled right way, and they will be very much interested. Yes, this is my own organization, I am ready to work day long here because my organization, my management is fulfilling my requirements and necessities. Then relationship. If the relationship fine with the management, if the relationship within the organizational framework, workers to worker relationship, worker to boss relationship, workers to boss to subordinate relationship is fine, then everybody will be interested or inclined to do work. Then increasing morale. Yes, this very thing is this. This is my organization. I want its development. Because if this organization survives, then I will survive also. It's a very nice organization. This organization is very positive. This organization is such positive. They are always thinking about the betterment and development of the workers and employees of the organization. So, as the organization is positive, so I am positive for the organization. I am ready to work day long. I am ready to work day long here in the organization. So, very important thing is this. Then, increasing quality and quantity of production. If my job is here secured, if I am satisfied with my job, mind one thing, if my job is secured, if my job is assured, if the organization is paying right way salary packages, if it's higher, if the image and goodwill of the organization is very positive, if it's welfare type of organization, then what would happen? I will be trying my level best as an employee, as a production manager, as a senior level manager, to increase its productivity, its quality, cost minimization, and right quantity at the right time. So that what would happen? My company, this company will flourish better extent. So, quality and quantity, if when assured, then no problem from the side of the organization to maintain its continuous and onward effort. Bright future and career is waiting for that. Then, measuring job satisfaction. Actually, measuring job satisfaction, theoretically is maybe possible, but when there is a question of quantitative assessment, the matter is tough enough. But even then, observing the behavior pattern, attitude, work tendency of the workers, employees, or of the management, we can understand what is going on, how far the workers, employees, and management is inclined in performing their daily works, activities all together. So, if all the things are very positive in nature, then the quality manufacturing, cost minimization, right quantity manufacturing would be possible. And then there is a question, another question. There is the importance and necessity of job satisfaction. As per my discussion already, this has been expressed. I just critically expressed the matter and situation. So positively, importance and necessity of job satisfaction is a very burning question. When someone giving me some fast food, if the fast food is with bad smell, should I take it? No. Rather, what to do? Just to keep the food aside. What of? Or besides, yes, I am not interested to take this food because bad smell is coming from the food. And even the smell is fine. The smell is fine. After taking the food that is found, it's a tasteless. Then what would happen? Yes, well, we're not interested to take that food. In that point of view, job satisfaction is a burning question. For the better sustaining, for the better development, for the onward and continuous manufacturing of goods and services. At the right time, at a minimum cost, with right quality. That is the thing. So, we need to understand and we need to think about the importance. Number one, if we are satisfied, then there is a question of simplicity of administration. Administration can perform and function its activities very smoothly and onward manner. So it will be possible from the side of the administration. Then development of the behavioral environment. Behavioral environment is if the workers and employees or the personnel are satisfied with the managerial decision and overall performance of the organization, then they should be inclined and interested to do their works and activities in a smooth manner, in the right way, in the right time, and to provide the better, service so that the organization will be able to earn huge amount of money as profit. It should ensure or ascertain the better sustaining, okay, and also build the image and goodwill of the organization. Then reduce absenteeism. Absenteeism is a very important thing. Absenteeism and turnover is a very good thing which may collapse a certain organization. If absenteeism is at a higher rate, then the total manufacturing system will be collapsed. It will decline. As a result, what would happen? As a result, this should happen. The company will not be able to earn profit. Rather, their profit will be declined. It may even convert into loss. So, that is the very important thing. Job satisfaction is very necessary and very important thing. Then, reduce discontent. If we are not satisfied, say I myself am not satisfied as I am working, I am delivering, I would not deliver even in the evening in this pandemic situation. As I am satisfied in this institution, I am serving as a teacher, or as I am satisfied, so I am ready to accelerate and to deliver my lecture, even in this evening. Even night, no problem, I am ready to deliver my lecture because I love my organization, I am satisfied with my organization providing me, giving me the handsome salary package, other benefits, financial, non-financial benefit, and the very nice working atmosphere prevailing here, nice, natural atmosphere also here, so I am inclined, I am interested here. Like the same way. Then, reduce accident rate. Some organizations are there, some mills and factories are there, they don't have their remedial measures, don't have their security measures. If security measures and remedial measures are not enough and sound enough, so as a result, what would happen? It would happen that the organization will collapse, their workers and employees will not be interested, and labor unrest will create. And that will be great havoc and disasters from the side of the organization. Then, increase productivity. Obviously, if the workers and employees are satisfied, even the question of satisfaction goes to the management also. If the management is also satisfied, workers are satisfied, employees are satisfied, all level personnel are satisfied, they will extend day-long their activities and with sincerity and devotion. As a result, the organization will be benefited and the organization will rise to a great extent. Then, the next point is develop discipline. Yes, if the organization holds the right and necessary disciplinary measure, there will be a very good working atmosphere and the workers and employees with confidence they will work there. Then they stop illegality. It's a very burning and prime question in all respect, not only for a certain organization but throughout the country. Even the development of a certain organization, development of a certain country, there is a question of illegality. We can cite in one country, there is the Singapore, very small country, a little bit bigger than Dhaka city, but their economy is $1.3 trillion. How come? Their main business is concerned to the port business. At the same time, they maintain very strictly law and order, illegality. They maintain honesty. Okay, so their business, their trade commerce, their economy is flourishing to a great extent. Now it's very nice, but a small country, but powerful country. Then, increase in income. Yes, the organization is fine, the organization is smoothly functioning. No problem from the side of the organization. They can increase their income level, income volume, and so which is very much positive and important thing from their side. Then, create a good labor management relation. Yes, if the labor management relationship is fine, then no problem. If the labor management relationship, then the workers are very much inclined that they are interested. Even the management is very image building from the side of the manager. Management will be also interested to manage the organization very smoothly, and they will be very much interested if the workers are cooperating, if the employees are cooperating, so they can run their organization very nice manner. Then, development of behavioral climate. Yes, behavioral climate, love and respect, honor, respect, all these things that should be positive in nature. If so, if it prevails, cooperation sense prevails. If everyone is ready and regular to extend their wholehearted and devoted functioning, then that organization will explode. And last point is the facing industrial dispute. Industrial dispute is very much important thing. So there is the labor organization, trade associations, labor court, and also the political government and the political activities. All these things they may control, they may manage. At the same time, from the side of the owner and management, multiple things are here concerned and connected with labor management. Yes, this is ended. In the next class, I will discuss about the factors making effect on job satisfaction. Okay, there's Allahu Akbar. Yes, Ajan started. Very fine. You, the students, dear students, you also need to say your prayers to Rahmanur Rahim. Allahu Akbar. Rahmanur Rahim saying to overcome that we should be relieved from this pandemic situation prevailing in Bangladesh, also worldwide. And keep yourself safe. Go through your academic affairs, learn English, Chinese and Japanese to fit or to match you in the job market, upcoming job market. Thank you very much. Good luck.